spotted the olive branch. Olive branch runs. Oh, olive branches in the wind all day. Rain comes down, but we don't break. Storm rolls in, but the roots stay strong.
So these are my stray chicks. I guess that's what you could call them. But yeah, I adopted these chicks and they come in my yard. And I feed them every morning, you know. And yeah. And I also have a stray kitten, or a cat, I should say. But that gray cat is my cat, Lily. Love my baby. So I couldn't get footage of holding the watering can because the watering can is pretty hectic once you get it in your hand, and it makes it kind of hard to hold the iPad and the watering can. So yeah, you're not going to see that in this little clip here, but you will see them getting some food, some pellets, and yeah. And there we have our little friend here, the stray cat, right? And I feed him, and yeah, he's a sweet little cat. He actually reminded me of a previous cat that I had named Papito. Miss him. Lord knows I miss that cat. But yeah, he reminds me of him, so I make it my business to feed this cat when he comes to my porch. He's so sweet. And yeah. Now here we are on our way to the chicken coop. If y'all hear my baby in the background, I'm sorry, I'm a mama. I gotta make it do what it do though. So as you can see, my chickens are fed up. They're like, where? Oh my God. I'm sorry, y'all. That's the baby. She burped. My my chickens are fed up. They're like, yo, where have you been? What's going on? Yeah, but anyways, we're gonna clean the watering can. And yeah, so I'm just cleaning the watering can. It wasn't too bad, it wasn't too messy, but I love this watering can because it is so convenient for not having to go out every 5 seconds and fill the watering can every 5 seconds. It's nice to be able to just feed. Hi baby, how may I help you? Huh? Yeah, you can watch it, Kelly. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not editing that out. Y'all. It's mom life, y'all. Okay, okay. But yeah, anywho, I'm washing the watering can, and yeah. So my hens are about to chow down, and as you can see, they were very happy. Like, they were so happy. You see that toe? That toe is on that bowl. That bowl. It was not playing. She had to hold the bowl down to make sure. Like, yeah. But anyways, I'll let y'all enjoy the pecking and the carrying on and the shenanigans that my hens are carrying on with.